Nice to meet you, everyone. Good morning. I'm Jason from Ops 3D, United States of America. I'm the sales manager of United States of America. And today we're going to do this webinar about our self-developed UPCAD software, crown&bridge designing. But before we start the whole process, I want to share with you guys some exciting news. Now we got our demo version of the free UPCAD software, so which gave us all of our clients from all around the world 1 month free trial. You can use our CAD software to design, to export the whole STL documents. You can use it to design, you can use it to mail or print or everything. So it's we'll just share the link later on our public page. So hope you guys can check it and download it or spread it. If you are from United States of America, and just contact with our company page, and I'll be in contact with you shortly. Okay, now it's 9 o'clock. Now we're gonna start our first step, which is CAD design, like the crown design. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to the page of our software. Okay. So first of all, we need to build a new order. Build a new order. Okay, we choose 46, which we already had, and choose crown. And we got a model source. The first one is a file, and we do have occlusion, so choose occlusion. And now we start design. Okay, so we find our file. First one is for lower jar. Okay, we choose lower jar, and then choose offset jar, which is upper jar. Okay, so you can see this one is for mark. So all the steps will be shown here. So first step is for mark. So we're gonna mark the 46. And just click the center of the margin line from buccal side, and crown 46 will be marked. And now we go to next step. And this step is for margin line recognition. Actually, our software will already detected it and automatically generate the whole margin line. So it's usually very clear and sharp. And for this case, now we'll just go to next step. This step is for insertion. As you can see there's a part has a red and yellow part that shows undercut dips. If the color is darker, that means the undercut is deeper. But our software will automatically give you the best insertion direction. So we're good with this step. We're just gonna stick with the ones that software gave us. So now we're gonna go to next step. Okay, so this step we have 5 parameters. First one is actual cement gap, and second one is cement gap, and third one occlusion gap, and occlusion offset, and smooth distance. And you can see the picture here, which shows where all these numbers are. And also because of these numbers, different labs or different doctors, clients have different needs. So just set up whatever the number you want. Okay. So this is pretty simple. Now we'll just go to next step. Next step, okay, this step's name is called template. So first of all, we're gonna go to this one, choose template, which our software have several options. Usually when you get into this step, the software will give you the best one that fits the model. So, but we do have some other options. I mean, you can adjust them like the best ones you want. And now we're going to go to the second function. It's called measure. And as you can see, this is the 236. Just click it and click this button mirror and click our 246. So we got exactly the same. So they look exactly the same from both sides. That will suit better. Now we're gonna do some edit about the 246. Okay, now we need to move it, and you can just use the mouse to move it wherever you want. And we also got a lot of options, which is like you can see all directions, occlusion direction, buccal lingual, and mesodistal. You all have these kind of functions or these buttons. Now which we let us check the file, check the model from this side, rotate it. Okay. Okay. This looks good. Now we'll go to the next step. Okay, now see for these parts we have two small area that has blue lines on it. That means we have occlusion collision. So what we need to do is to make them disappear. So right now we're gonna drag them down a little bit. Okay, that one is gone. And also there's another one we need to use this new function called cut. So click the button cut. Oh, for this chart, we have 4 buttons. First one is minimum thickness, second one is cut occlusion, and third one is cut adjacent, and the last one is cut pontic. But for this scenario, we only need cut occlusion. So we just cut occlusion. After this, okay, there's a gun, and we gotta check the adjacent teeth. So, okay, see, that part is extra. So we're gonna click it and cut adjacent teeth. Okay. Now we're gonna check another side. It's all gone. It's all gone. Okay, so we don't have any collision part at all. Okay, now what we need to do is smooth it. Smooth the bumpy parts. The parts are pointy and make them smoother or rounder. Because that, like especially this part. I mean, collision part. We need to make them really smooth. Make them look good. Okay. This is quite important. Okay. So right now, let's just rotate it a little bit. Rotate it. See other side. It looks pretty cool. Okay, now so we done with crown design. So we just gonna export it. Okay, so that saved successfully. Now you see this STL document. We're gonna build a new order. I'm gonna go back to next step. Okay, so as you can see, it's already marked. So now we're gonna go to next step. Okay, so this is margin line recognition. It's already done. Now we go to the. This doesn't look like same, So this is margin line is done. Margin line is done. Okay, this step is for the insertion. So we rotate the model and see the undercut. We don't have much of undercut from this case. Now we'll just go to next step. Okay, so this step is same as before. So we only have a gap parameters setting. Now we'll just go to next step. It's just as same as before as crown. Okay, now so we have templates here, which are the ones that are recommended by our software. So we're just gonna go with it and design this bridge. Yeah, the internet is too bad sometimes here. it's like I don't know what's wrong today. Okay, now we need to check them from this view and move them freely like this. And make them in the right position. Okay, good. Okay, now we check with offset jar for making it fit better. Buccal lingual side, mesodistal side, make it wider. It will be done. Actually, if you are a technician that has been using AutoCAD or 3D Shape, this kind of digital software, it should be actually like way much easier. It's just like actually our software is more user friendly and simpler than AutoCAD. So this shouldn't be unfamiliar to a lot of technicians or CDT. So it's quite simple. Okay. Oh, as for newcomers, our software is you just need to do the registration, and then you can have 1 month free trial, and can export the documents, STL documents, can edit them, can just simple registration. We'll just leave the link down the after this webinar. You'll check the link there. Okay, so that looks okay. Now we're gonna go to the next step. Okay, this step's name is called bridge. So first of all, we get do something with connectors. So click free edit. As you can see, we have this. Just click this connector, and we have this parameter called radius. Just make this size of the connector smaller, and then double click the next one, and then make the radius smaller. And also we can move these connectors really like freely. It just like looks like water, looks like water. It's really simple. Okay. Okay, now looks fit. So now we're gonna go to Scott, and as you can see, we have these blue parts which are still occlusion collision. Now we need to make them disappear. Erase all of them. Now we're gonna drag this area slowly down, make it not that obvious. Okay, now we have this cut function. So okay, so for this step we have to click all keys first. Then we still have the 4 buttons as last time I introduced. So now first of all, we're gonna click cut occlusion. So we're gonna cut the blue parts from this from this surface. Okay, now we check the adjacent part. Adjacent, rotate the tools, and you can see that part is extra. We need to click cut adjacencies. Okay. Okay. And now this for crown 25, you need to click the button cut puntic, which we're doing, cut puntic. Okay, so now it's done. Okay, now we go to next step. No, we go to the we gotta smooth it. There are some parts that are, we see it's a little bit bumpy and stuff. We need to change the shape a little bit. Drag it, change it a little bit flat, make it a little bit flat. It's too full. Okay. Now we gotta smooth the bumpy area and the cutting area like that. Okay. So first off, we're gonna smooth the connectors, make them rounder. Good. Yeah. And from other side, that part. Okay. So here we go. We have some collision with our offset jar. We'll deal with that later. Okay. Look at the surface, the outer fit. Okay. The margin line, we need to smooth it too. Especially the part with adjacencies, because that part is usually has a lot of problems. So gotta take care of that. Okay, now so rotate this one. We can see there are some parts like this. We still need to drag it out a little bit. Okay. Okay, now so we are basically done with this. We are just gonna go to the next step. Okay, now so basically the bridge is done. As you can see, it's really like it's fit really good. Now we're gonna export it and save successfully. Now click the STL documents. Okay. And now, same as before, we have this cross-section function. Just draw a line, and we can see this out here, the distance between any 2 points on this picture that help us to make better decisions, to make the case more accurate and precise. Okay. So we are done with the crown and bridge design. So I'm glad I'm sorry for the inconvenience about the internet, like not really smooth. So now I'm going to answer some questions from our viewers. So this first watcher name is Zoe, right? So you said, is that your own software? Yes, we have already developed the whole system for a decade. Since then, we actually put a lot of energy and enthusiasm into this project. It will be one of the best, like one of the most popular CAD software soon, because with our hardworking and humble attitudes to learn from the newest and the best. So we are proud to announce that this software is like our child. We raise it, we give birth to this software and we raise it. So hopefully that will grow bigger and bigger. Okay. Is there any other questions? Miss Zoe, that we at the moment we cannot design implant, but we are able to support basic restorations like crown, copying, veneer, onlay, inlay, and bridge. Actually, implant design will be released soon. We are on the way to develop the function. It's we gotta be responsible for our clients, so the whole function is still under testing. So we need more time to develop it good. Can UPCAD only design crowns or others? Yes, actually, I already respond to Miss Zoe that we can design bridge, crown, veneer, inlay, onlay, and coping. We're actually doing good. Yes, this Mr. Cho, right? So after you finish designing, the file can be exported, because this is our first free demo version. You just need to register the whole software and download it. And just simple as like just like supply your name and the phone number, email address, so we can send you the updated news and stuff about us. And so it's quite simple to use that. And we can do that for a 1 month free trial. Oh, Mr. Tomek, the demo version, we can only work with STL documents. It is demo version. It does, and as you ask, can you import intraoral scans? As long as the documents type is STL documents, we can do that. No problem, we can do that. Yes, Miss Liana, right? Miss Liana. The data from trials can be imported to our CAD software design. No problem, we can do that. Okay, so Mr. Tomic, can you show model creator module? We do have that. Yeah, we can also do 3D printing. And Mr. Cho, you said can CBCT data be imported into the design? And no, not at the moment. We cannot do that at the moment. This is our official website. I'm going to show you guys here. Okay, so I'm going to show you the link of. It's from our news. Okay, see, this is our UPCAD demo version, the first dental CAD software in China. Any other questions? And can you guys see the website of us here? Just go to our website and click the news catalog, and then you can find this one. Okay, I'm sorry for the coughing. Now here is a download button. Do you have any other questions, Liana? Oh yeah, Miss Liana, we do have other documents. We have desktop scanners and dry milling machine for the cornea and PMM wax. We selling very good around the world. We sold like around 2,000 scanners last year and 500 milling machines last year around the world. And we are developing new products like intraoral scanner and wet milling machine. It's on the way, and so we are a company with a lot of potential to develop so big, you know. Is there any other questions you guys want to ask so I can be sure to answer the questions? You see, we have this function tips of the UPCAD demo, full functional base repair. It looks really good. And to be honest with you guys, our software is the most economical software, CAD software in the whole world. And we are a company supply the whole workflow, CAD/CAM workflow. So if you're consider about buying one set, us are the best choice for you. Ops 3D. Yes, Mr. Ryan, we can export the design file actually. For a demo version, we can do that. Like I said before, for this demo version, you can export the file and use it as as a meal or printing, as long as it's a this is export file. All right, so we're done today. So I'm so glad you guys take like half an hour time to watch our webinars. If you are in United States of America, contact with our company. I will be contacting with you shortly. We got office and factory in Southern California. Contact with us. We have other contents. Yeah, Mr. Ho, yeah, that is free. And I showed you guys the link here. Just go to our website and go to the news. And company news here. And you can download it. Yeah, how much? Well, right now the demo version is free. I mean, the demo version is totally free, Miss Jen, and you can try UPCAD demo, no problem. So anyway, so if you guys are any clients that based in United States of America, just contact with us. We got a factory, we got a lot of labs are using our products, either in in America or Canada. We're selling very well. So hopefully just give us a call and we'll be contacting with you, and our products, our milling machines are made in United States of America. Anyway, so thanks for you guys' time today, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and you can get more new contents here. So next time, just leave the comment about whatever you wanna hear about next time. And we'll do some preparation, and we gonna do the webinar like 3 or 5 days ago, before we make it online. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Ronald and Mr. Ho. Thank you, guys, and thanks for Aloha Smile Dental Lab. And hopefully, I can see you guys soon. And stay careful about the coronavirus and stuff. Okay, okay, good morning or having a good day. Bye bye. Bye.